In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account. Start by opening the Coinbase Wallet app and make sure you have the crypto you want to withdraw available in your wallet. Next, if your funds are still in Coinbase Wallet, you'll first need to send your crypto to your Coinbase exchange account. Open your Coinbase account, tap Receive, select the same cryptocurrency, and copy your deposit address. After that, return to Coinbase Wallet, tap Send, paste your Coinbase deposit address, enter the amount you want to transfer, review the network fee, and confirm the transaction. Now wait for the transfer to be confirmed on the blockchain. Once the funds appear in your Coinbase account, sign into Coinbase and go to Assets. Next, select the cryptocurrency you transferred and click Sell. Choose your local currency and confirm the sale so your crypto is converted into cash. After that, go to Assets, select your cash balance, and click Cash Out. Now choose your linked bank account as the withdrawal method. If you haven't linked one yet, follow the prompts to add and verify your bank account. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw, review the transaction details, and click Cash Out now to confirm. Finally, wait for the transfer to be processed. Depending on your bank and region, the funds may take a few business days to arrive in your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to withdraw money from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.